information tonight about a story we first reported on Eyewitness News at 6. A carbon monoxide scare at a home in Queens. 5 people, including a child, were treated. They all survived, but the investigation into this very scary situation far from over. Eyewitness News reporter Pineda has the story from Jamaica.
Yeah, this was a very dangerous situation this afternoon. Not only were there no smoke or carbon monoxide detectors found throughout the entire house, investigators say it was also illegally subdivided, which means inside it's carved into separate units divided by thin walls which share ventilation, a potentially deadly combination.
Definitely dangerous. So it was definitely something to be afraid of.
Neighbors 2 doors down from the home, which filled with the harmful gas, say a number of children were put at risk, breathing in the colorless, odorless carbon monoxide that sent 5 residents of the home, including a child, to the hospital around 1:30.
It's a really scary thing because we have young children in the house, and we're literally 2 houses away.
First responders were called to the home after a resident lost consciousness. If not for the expedited removal by firefighters, the immediate medical intervention by EMTs, and the continued care during transport, the outcome would be tragic.
We came in, and fortunately, our EMS resources as well as our fire resources carry portable carbon monoxide detectors with them. So as soon as they entered the home, those alerted the units that this was a carbon monoxide issue.
FDNY Deputy Chief George Healy said a defective boiler flue was discovered in the basement, detached and leaking carbon monoxide into a number of cellar dwellings where occupants only had one way out.
That flue pipe had a disconnection in it, and instead of all those gases going out of the house, some of them seeped back into the residence.
3 victims who were critical are now stable. The city buildings department is investigating violations. It's an important reminder to make sure life-saving devices are installed and working properly. The evacuation prompted this tenant to check his own home for smoke, fire, and CO detectors and make sure his family's protected.
I zoomed right back to my house, and I made sure that my detectors and my alarms were inactive and battery operated.
As a precaution, both gas and electric to the house have been cut off. The other residents who were living here had to be put up by the Red Cross. In Jamaica, Pineda, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.